Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. And anyways, happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey everybody, welcome to the Pop-Up Studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt. I'm a paper engineer, pop-up bookmaker, children's book author and illustrator, and I want to welcome you to my studio. It's getting ready to be holiday time. You know, you go to the Target, you go to the Walmart, Christmas trees everywhere. You know, like it went from Halloween, and I was just so jazzed about Halloween just being here finally because I love Halloween. And then bam, it's all over. And the minute you go in, like the colors change from like purple, orange, and black to red, green, and white. You know, it's just like a totally different thing. But I love it. I love the holidays. Like there's this massive sprint towards the end of the year, right? And being a children's book author and illustrator and pop-up book creator, this is my busiest time of the year, not just making videos for you all to share with you, but it's also the busiest time of the year for me work-wise. Everything hits because I'm making things for the following holiday season. So I've got a lot of books that are coming out actually this fall, and there'll be little bumpers in this video if you're interested in getting them. Hey, check them out. I've got a DC Comics superhero book that's coming out, Nightmare Before Christmas pop. I've got a Disneyland pop. Oh my God, it's so awesome. It's like a pop-up tour of Disneyland. Let me see what else. Oh, the biggest one, and my colors are kind of showing. Godzilla. I've got a Godzilla pop that's coming out in this November 2024. So exciting. So I can't wait to share that with you. Anyways, let's get to making our holiday card. Okay, so I have to say, happy holidays, everyone. Whatever you celebrate, whether it's Hanukkah, Christmas, just the end of the year. I've got the DIY cards for you. I got templates. You can download them. There's a link below. You download the templates onto cardstock and you can build them yourself. And I'll show you how. These are all super easy. They get a little harder as we progress. I'm gonna try to do 12 pop-ups for the holidays, kind of inspired by the 12 days of Christmas. I wanna make like the 12 pops of Christmas and Hanukkah and everything else, anything else that you celebrate. We're gonna try to do that this year. If I don't make it, we're gonna at least get to like maybe 6 to 10 of them because we've designed them all, they're all ready. But sometimes my video, we've got a lot going on. There's a lot of books in the hopper for next year and beyond. I get busy. It's just me and my amazing designer that works with me, Carrie. It's just the two of us, and sometimes some other people come in and help, but it's a lot of work. So if we get to it, hooray. If not, maybe next year, right? But we're gonna try. We're gonna work really hard. So let's get started with our pop-up card for this video. It's really cute. It's very simple. It's just a bunch of V-folds. It is a beautiful Christmas card. Look at that. Now, we've done Christmas cards before. This is a Christmas tree. I can't even say it right. It's a Christmas tree. Very simple. 3 V-folds. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And then there's one on the top. So 4. 4 V-folds all working together to make this beautiful. It's sort of an abstract tree because there's some negative spacey in there. You can decorate it any way you want to. So there's a template down below. You'll download it and print it onto cardstock, just regular cardstock, any color you want. I used white because I can marker on it, but if you want to use green or red or any other color that's a holiday color, you know what would be beautiful is this Christmas tree and maybe in white, and then the background maybe in a nice blue or that would be so cool. Anyways, let's get started making our Christmas tree card. Woo! All right, so we printed out the templates for the Christmas tree card. We need a ruler. We need something to score with. I'm gonna use a big knitting needle, or you can use a large paper clip. We need some glue. Oh, we also need something to cut with, craft knife or scissors, but let's get scoring. So we're just pressing in using the edge of the knitting needle, and we're pressing using the ruler to keep it straight. And that's all the dotted black lines. And then for the solid black lines, we cut them out using our cutting tool, whether it's a pair of scissors or a craft knife, which I really like using because we can kind of draw the cuts with a craft knife. When I'm making cut paper collage art, I use a craft knife rather than a pair of scissors. It's just what I do. We're going to cut out all these pieces, and once we're done cutting them all out,
Then we're going to pre-fold all of the dotted black lines. Now that's where we scored, right? That's where we scored. No, that's where we scored all the dotted lines so that we knew where the folds are. So all these pieces fold really easily for our Christmas tree. Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map. With original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt. That's me! The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. Now this is a really simple Christmas tree pop, and each one of these pop-up card crafts, they get progressively a little bit more difficult along the way. You can either use this to make cards for the holidays and send them out to all your loved ones, and you can use my templates, do whatever you want, or you can put these together, all of our Christmas and holiday pop-ups. You can put it together and build your own pop-up book. So it's both ways. You can do anything you want with all my templates, and they're all for you. So happy holidays. Anyways, let's get assembling. This is the top part of the Christmas tree. It's not the star. This is the topmost part of our little abstract Christmas tree that we're making. And so we're going to just push in these two tabs and then glue them once they go in. And we're using slits on this series of crafts because it makes the pop-ups look a little bit more professional, a little bit more clean. We're going to have covers for the outside of the card so you don't have to see the tabs. Here is the second tier, the middle tier of our Christmas tree that we're building, and that tab just goes right on in there. And then we're going to put a little glue on this side of the tab, and you'll notice that we're putting the pieces in upside down so we don't have to see the lines. Just makes it look a little prettier. So there are two tiers for our Christmas tree. Ooh, it's coming together, and these are just very simple V-folds, and they're just bigger and bigger V-folds, so they all line up together. We're going to put some glue on this tab right there. Ooh, that's so nice, and it fits right in the slit. This is the bottom most. And when you're building this pop-up, remember, all of these pieces should go pretty flat once it's open. So when you have the card completely open and flat, those pieces should be flat. They should not be tented. Okay? And if, there we go, that is our card, just like that. And then let's do the star. We're just gonna put right in these little edges right here. And see those little dots? They're gonna line up. And you're gonna make sure that the center fold of that star lines up with the center of the base page, that center fold line. All right, so we'll close it, look at that. And that little star goes downward, look at that. So now we're gonna glue the cover on, so put lots of glue on the outside of our first card, and then we're gonna put the cover on. It's just a rectangle. Now you could have printed this in different colors. It doesn't have to be white. It could be any colors you want for Christmas. You do it, or for the holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate, it doesn't matter. But these are really fun to make, super easy, and we're gonna get progressively harder as we go along. All right, let's send this out. Ooh, sparkly. Look at what I did there. I actually put like foil paper that I cut up, and I glued it into place for the ornaments. You could do all kinds of things like that. I mean, it's just marker and paper, and I used, metallic markers are always fun too. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed making this pop-up holiday card, this Christmas tree. Look how beautiful it is. Very, very simple. You can make a lot of these, send them out, or to all your loved ones for the holidays. It's super easy and it's fun. I mean, that's one of the things I really love about Christmas. I like the presents, and I love the food, And I love seeing my family. But I really love all the crafts that we make at this holiday time, because we show our love through making something for somebody or making something together. I can't wait for my nephew and niece and my sister and brother-in-law are all coming for Christmas to join us this year in Los Angeles, and I'm really excited to see everybody. We're gonna have so much fun doing and making crafts together. So remember, crafts are a great way to spend time with your families at the holidays. So anyways, on your way out, could you do me a favor? Could you hit that little like button down below, and could you hit subscribe too? Because it really helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and it gets our videos out there, and it's sharing, and more eyes can be seeing these cool pop-ups that we make together. Feel free to comment. Tell me you like me, tell me you don't like me. I don't care. Comment below. If you've got ideas for future things, tell me too, because I can't read your mind. You got to write it down. You got to tell me. I listen. I really do. I listen, and I love your feedback. I love you all. Everything I do here is because of you. So this is Matthew Reinhart. This is Matthew Reinhart, right? Saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and keep it holiday poppin'. Yeah! Happy holidays, everybody. More to come. Bye-bye.